Hey guys, so I'm here with what used to be my favorite lighters, and it's these Zippo lighters. And if you ever had one of these Zippo lighters, and you probably know, I mean, they feel great. It's just something about the feel and the look of a traditional Zippo is fantastic. But you also know that putting fuel in these things really suck. They evaporate real fast. You know, there's just um, some like cotton or something at the end, and you have to basically refill it almost every camping trip you take. But today I think I might have found the solution, and it's only like 10 bucks if you have Amazon Prime, and I'll show you what that is. And it's this. I got two, one for each of my Zippos, so let's give it a shot. All right, so let's take a look at it. It's this YUSUD lighter. I don't know if that's an acronym or if I'm supposed to pronounce that. Yusud or YUSUD lighter. But anyways, let me show you what it is. And again, if you have Amazon Prime, I think it was around $10 to get this. And basically, it's just an insert that takes butane fuel. So let's take a look at it. Okay, so here it is. And I mean, it'll work just like this too, if you put in fuel. But of course, what I really want to do is put it in this. So let's take that out. Slide it in. All right, look at that. Flip that back. Okay. So the direction says if it does this, what you do is you open this thing up and you fold this back. Right, so if you look in here, there's this flap right there. And what you do is you could adjust this. So I think you bend this thing down right here. You see that lever? I'm gonna bend it down. Little bit of a gap still. I'm gonna bend it some more now. All right, perfect. So that's how you adjust the fit of this. There's my one lighter, but you know, the real test is does it still allow you to do tricks? There we go. All right. All right, so let's put some fluid in it and give it a shot. So there should be two lighting modes for this. All right, I needed to get some pliers to get it out because it's a real snug fit. So that's a good thing, but it's a bad thing when you're trying to take it out. So let's fill in some butane. I got some butane here. Okay, let's test it first before we put it back in. Wow, wait, nice big flame. And there's a torch mode. See that? Flame mode and torch mode. So that turns off. So, you know, like I said, in theory, you could use it without the cover, but, and I want to use my Zippo cover. So let's get it back in. Yeah, and it's just warm to the touch when, even though I just put on a flame. So let's put it back. Okay. Very nice. Okay. Still a little stiff. We'll have to loosen that up before it closes by itself. There you go. Now let's do the other one. I got two. I got a shiny chrome and a brushed chrome. Yeah, you know, these are nice and smooth like that. I just need to oil it so it's nice and smooth so I can do my tricks. But again, it's a pain in the butt to refill. So now let's put this one on first. Oops. Gotta do that. All right, close it up. Let's get this one in, see how well this one fits. All right, now this one's a real nice, smooth fit. So my case is probably a little bit dinged up on this one. That's why it was a little bit tighter, but that's okay. This one's a loose fit. And this one actually closes up perfectly, so I don't need to adjust this one at all. See that? The flush, it's flush on the close. All right, nice. So let's test it out one more time the way lighters were meant to be tested out. I'm gonna borrow a cigarette from somebody. So I had to move outside for this, but let's hope the family doesn't come by. We'll try an old trick I used to do. It's a little stiff, but with some work, maybe some lubricant, I could do my old tricks again.